Hi guys, welcome back to the barn. Hope you're all well. When you have a small workshop, it's usually tricky to cut large sheets to size. A few years ago, when I started developing this workshop and built this bench, I created some cauls that cantilevered out over the bench to support material. Put your sheet materials on and run your track saw over, in my case, because it's easier to take the saw to the wood rather than the wood to the saw if you've got a really large piece. Now, over the last few weeks, I've been developing this corner of the workshop. I put a brand new top on the workbench, built these cupboards here, and I've been slowly developing some tool storage here. So because I removed my old MFT style worktop bench, it meant I could no longer clamp these cauls to the top. So I've had to come up with another solution. So the solution is to glue like a hook to the bottom of the cauls to sit in the tool well and actually cantilever out, and by doing this I don't actually have to use any clamps. Earlier this morning I ripped a piece of timber down that's the same thickness as this bench top, 44mm in my case, screwed it to the back wall of the barn, which means the front and the back of the bench are the same height, and to the top of that timber I screwed another piece which is more or less 21mm square, which forms this little inverted hook for the feet of these cauls to run into. I was going to make some more cauls, but actually even after 3-year use, and I have lent them out to the paint director, they're still really good. These were just made from a piece of 2x3 rough sawn timber, put through the thickness planes to regulise it, then I routed into the top of the cauls a T-slot with my router, which means I can put a track clamp in just to hold pieces to the caul to stop them moving while I'm cutting. I just had to fit 2 pieces to each of the feet. A piece that was long enough to sit in the tool well front to back, and then a piece that was slightly shorter, which cut between the back of the bench top and the front of this little hook section I put on. And that means when I want to use the cauls I can just slide them in and drop them flat, and they stay cantilevered out of the front bench. Actually means I can cut 8-9 foot long pieces, 2.4 2.5 metre long pieces, by, if I want to, a full 8x4 sheet. I can wrestle it in the door, lay it down, cut it with my track saw in, and break large sheets down really easy without trying to wrestle them over the top of the table saw, which is not easy on your own and in a small space. Okay, so now I've got this stock that goes under there. I need to cut piece that length. Let's see where I can slide them under. Right, so that's that 4. Get another of these pieces, and then these probably need to go back through the planer. Yeah, they're going to want to have 3 or 4 mil off. Perfect. So I need to fix these together like that. I don't want to put any screws in this because I don't want to hit a screw with the saw. And rather than gluing them all up today, I'm just going to glue one up overnight and see what happens. If I need to amend it tomorrow, I can do that. All being well, that glues to the underside of the bearer and I can just drop them in. That's the plan. I'll leave this to go off overnight. Right, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Right, let's take this out of the clamp and do the next phase. So that just goes in. I don't want to make it too slack because over time they're going to get a bit worn. What I just need to be mindful of is these tool holders here. So I'll do that there, put that on there, line up, let's fix that onto that line like that. More glue. So I'll leave this to dry whilst I have my breakfast, and as long as it works then I'll do the other 3 in a similar manner. Right, I'm all caffeinated. Hey. Cool. Right, I'll make the other 3 then. Perfect. These are absolutely perfect. I'm really pleased I made these. So when I have big sheets, even up to 8x4 sheets, I can bring them in here, plonk them down, and then cut them either this way or that way. And certainly a lot easier to take the tool to the wood than the wood to the tool and put it over the table saw. Thanks for watching, guys. I shall see you later. Bye.